Tonight is November the 5th, which for anyone who lives outside of the UK, this is a big celebration night for us. It's where we celebrate the foiling of an attempt to blow up the Houses of Parliament from about 400 years ago. And on this day, people go to bonfires, big public events, and let off lots of fireworks. One of the biggest events of all is in Lewes in East Sussex.
Hiya mate.
Hiya.
How'd you get onto the road?
This
way.
Which road are you trying to get onto?
Well, we're going to Lewes.
And there's like burning crosses, burning barrels. It's the sort of imagery that you probably wouldn't see outside of a Trump rally. So I'm going to try and get up on the downs and see whether maybe I can look down on it. Really hard to follow the trail. Oh, I missed it. It's down here. It's so weird being here at night. This is a really popular place for walkers and cyclists, and it just feels deserted. Oh, big bang! I don't really know where I'm going. I think I might have taken the wrong turn. The other problem I got is my light, my front light. I went to charge it today. There's nothing telling me when it's completely charged, so I honestly don't know how long it's going to last. I haven't used these night lights for a good while, and if it goes dark, I am going to know about it.
More love, more freedom, more everything.
I've never filmed with my GoPro at night before, so I don't know how it's going to look. I thought I saw a light up ahead. Who is out here at this time of night? There's definitely a light up there. It is really weird and slightly unnerving. It's probably another cyclist, so I'm not the only idiot out here. Change my frames per second down and see whether there's much difference in the footage. I'm 30 at the moment. I'm going to click to 24. Here we go. So this is interesting. This is 24 frames per second. We're not far from the top now. I'm heading towards the top of Black Cap, which is just outside Lewes. Look down at my light. I've gone from 3 bars to 1 bar and I didn't even notice. Well, I've made it to the top, but I can't really see Lewes. Lewes is kind of a hill in a way. I forgot that I was there. I can hear bangs going off everywhere, but I am seriously worried about my light. I'm down to 1 bar, but thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Good news, my light is still working, still on 1 bar. And I've had it on the lowest setting. But I'm back in Brighton, that's Brighton. I'm going to be on the road with lights. I'm not far from home now and I can just look across and see fireworks going off everywhere.
Ooh.